The BMW 5 Series F10 has been sold from 2010 and until 2017. It is the best-selling 5 Series to date. Some people love it, some people hate it, some people fear it outside of the warranty. For the last 5 years, I've been owning a 2010, beginning of the production, 530D and 57, and I have been repairing it, restoring it, and upgrading it. Hello everyone, I'm Bogdan. I help people upgrade their cars, and in this video we are going to look at the nightmare list, the list of big repairs, the big bad wolf, the money pits, or the 25 common faults that you will see on the BMW 5 Series, be it with a 3-liter or with a 2-liter diesel engine. There's no easy way to go through it. We start with the dash being noisy, the intake building up a lot of soot, the glow plug control module failing, the glow plugs themselves failing, the door membrane leaking water inside of the vehicle, a strange oily plasticky smell inside of the vehicle, the oil filter cooler gasket leaking, the top rocker cover leaking oil, the lower front control arms failing, the rear brake pads seizing, the green quick connectors having to be replaced, the differential oil being leaked through the sides and through the middle, the differential guibo connector needing to be replaced, the main bushing for the differential again needing to be replaced, the engine cover holders needing to be changed, the engine mounts themselves, the EGR and throttle body requiring to be replaced or cleaned, the battery failing and being replaced, the radiator building up all sorts of junk between the two radiators, engine coolant leaking due to old gaskets, the boot dampener failing and the boot opening too fast, DPF warnings, timing chain issues, especially on the 2-liter diesel, leaves accumulating in the front scuttles, and the alternator brushes failing, especially on high mileage vehicles. I hope that these were 25. Most of these problems have been addressed in videos on this channel. Links will be in the description. Should you want to see me working on the infamous rocker cover gasket, this video over here will help. Also, if you want to look at diagnostic tools that work really well on the BMW, this video is a good thing to watch. Thank you for watching and see you in the next time.